because they're going through a divorce, and their divorce is going through very nicely. It's like no drama, nothing, nothing crazy, at least from the public's view, because I don't know what their personal life is. But I personally know Devon Franklin, and he's an amazing individual. It's not like, Pastor Regina Martin and Pastor Damien Archat. And I got some tea with that as well, because I seen somebody just write they want to update with Damien Archat and Regina Martin. So I do have to update with that. Damien Martin is the pastor, is a pastor. Regina Martin is a pastor. Regina also happens to be commissioner. And what happened was Damien Archat beat his wife, Regina Martin, choked her almost until she passed out. That was something you heard on Local 10 News. That was all over. I broadcasted. I did a part 1 and a part 2. And then I have Overseer Tyrese, who was a pastor who cursed. Before I get to my story, let me address this one too. Overseer Tyrell, whatever, I forgot his name, but his ass knew that he was supposed to be on air with me for cussing that pastor, and he did a no-call, no-show talking about his son was in a doggone hospital. I don't know if your son in the hospital or not, but I'm so sorry if your son in the hospital. I do apologize, and I hope he feel better if he was in the hospital. Allegedly, his ass was in the hospital. You see, y'all got me acting up in here. Ring the bell. Because y'all got me acting a fool up in here. Because he was supposed to be on air with me doing a live in call so that way we can discuss why he cussed that pastor out. You the guest preacher, you came late and you have the audacity to cuss the other pastor out because he told you shorten your sermon. No, that is order in the house. And you want to call out because you're scared. No, let the Osiris show hear what you have to say. Okay, we cover all dramas, church drama, non-drama. I love the church drama more because I get more people paying attention, more people watching in when I get the church drama, because nobody care about the secular drama because all y'all want to care about the church drama. Now I'm just tired of you. You need to stop playing with me because I'm going to advertise. I'm going to pay the people. Well, thank God that you don't got no money to be over here, missing. I ain't paying you a doggone dime. Anyway, the hell wrong with these people? Make you book shows and book stuff and then turn around and they don't even... Okay, listen, y'all. Let me get to this. So, I was talking about Devon Franklin and their relationship not being petty. Because I know two individuals right now, two of them right now, that are petty as hell. They go P-E to the T-T-Y, P-E to the T-T-Y. They petty all the time. They petty all the time to go P-E to the T-T-Y, P-E to the T-T-Y, P-E to the T-T-Y. They petty all the time. They petty all the time. Okay. Now, I'm not going to mention no names for the security of the people, but I know them personally. Meaning I know them. Not like I know of them. No, baby. I know these people. And they got some doggone mental issue. And if you got a mental issue, it is okay to go get mentally evaluated. Because mental health is real. And I can get you to mental health. There's therapy Well, Alicia, her address is 20535 Northwest 23rd Avenue, Suite 204 in the Miami Gardens area. If not, I'll send them. You can go to Brown Behavior and Community Service. It's a mental clinic that you can go to and clock in. You got Jackson North, a community mental that you can go to, and that's on 20201 Northwest 37th Avenue. You got a psychiatrist, mental health nurse practitioner that's in the Miramar area. You have in therapy we trust, which I do not trust because they don't got no address. You got Bayview Center Medical. I don't trust them either. They don't got no address. You got Wellness Garden Therapy LLC. I don't know who the hell they is. You got Multicultural Care Centers. I don't know who the hell they is. You got Next Step Community Mental. They're going to help you get the next step. They're located in the Miramar area. We got Little Hearts Behavior Support. No, they need Big Heart Behavior Support because these people are crazy. These people is crazy. The things they do. You make you almost want to cuss. Yeah, so you will. I'm telling you, these people is crazy. Okay. Whew. So I woke up. I woke up out of my sleep yesterday. I received a message on Facebook. I was sleeping now. And I will receive a text message on Facebook on Sunday at 11:54 p.m. And the message say, "Hey, boo." Hey, B-O-O. What the hell they think this is? Halloween? Hey, boo. What the hell wrong with you? And when I look, it's an individual that I know. But it's supposed to be a homeboy that I know, okay? And he said, "Hey, boo," to me. What the hell he thought was Then later, I get a text that say, "Hey, bro, that's so-and-so texting that." I screenshot it. Yes, I did. For my records. Yes, for my records. For my records, just in case. And I respond back, "Okay, I'm not sure." Okay, so the person that texts, okay, let me get this. This too damn much for me, and it's just Wednesday. Okay, the person texts me, "Hey, boo." Yeah, I'm so upset. I'm just like upset. Y'all know. I'm working my way through this because I'm about to check into a doggone mental institution with this stuff, okay? Because I can't keep cussing on air because then y'all going to be judging me, talking about, "Oh, you're about to be a..." Shut up, okay? Y'all church folk, y'all over here wilding, okay? Y'all over here in the... You know what? I can't stand y'all. Let me kick y'all out of here. Because y'all pissing me off. You know what? No, I'm going to keep y'all in here because y'all supporting me. Keep talking because you give me money. Whew. So, the person texts me, "Hey, boo." Okay? Which is from the husbands of the people I know page. And I'm like, huh? Ow. Oh. The hell? Then another text came saying, hey, bro, that's so-and-so texting that. And I said, uh-huh. I said, okay. So I had to breathe. Because I was pissed. So then I text back, okay, I'm not sure what that individual got going on. But if that individual needs me, that individual has my number. That's how you do it. Now, a few minutes later, so it's like 30, 40, 50, 60, almost an hour. Say 45, let's say 45 minutes later. The individual texts me, hey. I said, now I don't know what the hell y'all got going on, but y'all need to keep me out of it. So like the bold that I am, I sent a text message directly to the individual. Directly, y'all know me. Directly to the individual. And the text said, if you need me, this is my number. That was yesterday, 11:27 p.m. Then this morning, the individual texts me, good morning. To act as if nothing went wrong. Well, let me tell you, there's some games you don't play. Because when you play those games, you will end up getting killed. And just to clarify, I'm not threatening to kill nobody. I ain't threatening to kill nobody. But what I'm trying to tell you is that you can't play them doggone games, okay? You can't do that. Because when somebody's your ass, then you're going to be all upset, pissed off. There's some game you just don't mother play. Okay? Now, I'm upset because the reason why I'm upset is because when you go so hard for an individual, you ever been going so hard for somebody, you do things for them that you know that you should be charging their mother behind, but you said, you know what, because I love you, because you're connected to me, because of that, I'm going to support you, and I'm going to do it for free. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all know what I'm talking about, okay? You have their backs, you support them, and then turn around and just stab you in the back. That's exactly, it's called betrayal. That's what that called, betrayal. especially when someone do for you and do about your kids too. You don't do that to people. And then, so I'm